Hello, how's everyone doing? Welcome back to another episode of Gobbledycook. Today, I once again bring to you a recipe that I picked up on one of my many gastronomic expeditions in Chennai, but right after the music. Before I had the chance to visit Chennai and live there for a few years, my only experience with South Indian cuisine had been with dosas, idlis and sambar, and I honestly did not know anything beyond these few dishes. What an ignoramus I was. In the years that I spent in the South, I discovered the richness and diversity of South Indian cuisine. I had sampled many tasty dishes while I lived there, and in fact one of the fanciest recipes that I had tried there was spicy rabbit fry, which is an experience that I'll never forget. Today I'll be sharing with you one of the many ways in which you can prepare a goat chukka or mutton chukka. I don't know if the recipe that I'll show you is authentic or traditional, because every family has their own recipe of this dish, but this is how I prepare it. And one thing is that I have garnished it with some lightly roasted coconut slices in the end. I don't know if that's originally used in mutton chukka, but this is something that I picked up from another very favorite South Indian dish of mine, which is beef chukka, and which is a dish that is very popularly made in Kerala. So hope you like today's recipe, and let's get cooking.